Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add TikTok Shop product link to TikTok videos. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to go in your TikTok homepage, and once you're there, you need to simply tap on the plus mark. So once you have done this, you need to simply be redirected to this kind of interface and simply select the picture of your product you want to link up. So once you have selected the product, you need to now simply tap on this kind of interface where you can simply sync pictures, or you can simply tap on the next option. Once you have done this, you need to find the add link option, and once you are there, you need to hit the plus icon. After doing this, you can simply tap on product. This will help you add link of that particular product, and once you have tapped on the product option, you need to simply select which kind of product you are showcasing. So in the showcase module, click add to choose the product you want to feature in the video and enter a product's name. Now simply click on the add option and repeat this process for each product link you want to add to your video. Now make necessary edits or addition and click the post button. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.